Did you know that a perfect kidney match can still kill you if your insurance says no? Kevin Martinez was 45 years old, owned 3 successful restaurants, and had 3 kids who adored him. In late 2022, his kidneys suddenly started failing fast. But there was hope. His brother was a perfect donor match, ready to save his life. Then the insurance company dug deeper into Kevin's medical history. They found records of a minor heart murmur from when he was 17 years old. Suddenly, the transplant was too risky to cover. Kevin's body began shutting down on dialysis. His restaurants started failing as he grew weaker. His skin turned yellow, his breathing became shallow, and fluid filled his lungs. He spent his final weeks in the hospital, drowning from the inside, while waiting for appeals that never came. Kevin died owing $847,000 in medical bills. His children lost their father, their home, and their future in one devastating blow.